We are looking at how to pronounce this abbreviation. How do you say it? What does it stand for? Also, in case you do not know. So this abbreviation stands for milliliter. Milliliter, it is said in British English, or milliliter in American English. ml, you can say. Generally, if you're talking about 1 milliliter, it is often said as 1 ml, or 10 mLs if it's 10 milliliters. 10 mLs, 1 ml, or 1 milliliter, or 10 milliliters. And now you know it all, I think. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments or by using the like button. Thank you for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.